I'm tearing down my Pontiac GTO. It's a 2005, and there's a reason for it, unfortunately. So you can see it's kind of been in a crash. The fender is missing. The wheel is completely messed up. The interior is pretty nice, but you can see the door panel is missing here. So the taillights are gone, and that center piece is gone, and here's why I'm tearing down the car. This is a Mercedes SLK, and you probably have noticed that there is no engine in there. And that's because I'm taking the engine and the transmission from the GTO, and that's gonna go in this car, and I'm gonna have the world's first LS swapped AMG GTO SLK. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's gonna be nuts. So I've been parting out the GTO, and let me tell you, I've learned something. This car is actually worth a ton of money. I'm gonna run down how much I paid for this car and how much I've gotten out of it so far. It's actually pretty surprising how desirable this car really is. So the front bumper, $275. There's something called SAP grills, which is Sport Automotive Package. Apparently those grills, brand new OEM ones, are worth about $600 on eBay. I sold the grills not really knowing how much they're worth for 60 bucks. So I don't know if you can see the headliner, but it's missing. Sold the headliner for about $100. Door panels, about 100 bucks each. Taillights are still available, but I think they're about 100 bucks each. I sold the centerpiece here for, I can't remember, it was like over 100. The car is worth a lot of money. I'm surprised. I sold a front fender for, I think it was about 120 bucks, something like that. And you can argue all day long over how much I should have got and how much I did get, but these are the prices that I got. I'm not the most experienced GTO parter outer yet, but I'm learning. As I said before, the engine and transmission I'm keeping. Those are worth a lot of money. That's the reason why I actually got the car, because I wanted the engine, I wanted the transmission. Those LS2 engines, the 6-liter, are going for about $5,000 on eBay plus shipping. The transmissions are worth up to about $1,800 for a manual, which I definitely wanted. I paid $5,000 for the car, so right away, I'm ahead. I want the ECU, I want all the sensors, I want everything that comes with the car so that I can move that over into the Mercedes. All in all, I'm expecting to get a fair bit of money back from this car. So I think, at the end of the day, I've got a pretty inexpensive engine and transmission, and that's what I'm all about. So if you want to follow along with this ridiculous build over here, that engine is going to go in here pretty shortly. So please just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to continue parting out the GTO, thinking about getting another one, parting that out too.